Hey guys, welcome to The Bite. My name is Jackie. If you're new here, I do a lot of fun, modern, Middle Eastern cuisine, but I also throw in some worldly cuisine as well. So if you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified of when I post some new stuff. So many good things are coming this fall. I can't wait to show them to you. But today we are making something that I've been making since I was like 8 or 9 years old. Pumpkin butterscotch cupcakes. These are, you wanna know how long I've been making them? The first Harry Potter movie, I snuck a batch of these in my purse. The first Harry Potter movie, that's how long. I was in elementary school at some time, but they're amazing, so simple, and it's using a box cake mix, right? How simple is that? So let's get into the ingredients. So I have a yellow box cake mix here, and you're gonna need everything that the box cake you're using requires. So in my case, that is vegetable oil, water, and eggs. What elevates these into something amazing is pumpkin puree, butterscotch chips, and just a bit of flour, and I'll tell you what that's for in just a second. But for the pumpkin puree, you could use the pumpkin pie mix because I've bought it accidentally before and it works, but it just is gonna alter the flavor slightly. So I use the regular, but whatever you wanna use is fine. So I'm just gonna start getting the normal traditional ingredients in here, and then I'll show you what's next. Normally I use a handheld mixer. So next thing we're gonna add in is the pumpkin puree, and it's gonna change the entire color of this and make it a pretty orangey, light orangey color. You wanna just try and take out as many lumps as possible. You could also use a handheld mixer for this. So the last thing I'm gonna add is the flour and the butterscotch chips. I have a tablespoon of flour in here. This helps keep the butterscotch chips from sinking to the bottom of the cupcakes, and it just kind of, you know, gives it a nice disbursement of the butterscotch chips throughout each one. The flour is mixed into the chips. I'm gonna actually switch to my spatula to fold these in. And then we'll get to filling the cupcake molds. Batter is ready. We are gonna fill these cupcake molds and get them in the oven. So I've been posting a lot of dessert videos lately. I will definitely be posting some side dishes, some main meals, some salads coming up very soon. But while we're here, just comment down below and tell me what you would like to see from the channel, because I would love some, you know, requests from you guys, because I have a whole list going, but I want to see what you guys want to hear. So comment down below what you want. Cupcakes are going into the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes or until a toothpick comes out of them clean. Cupcakes were in the oven for about 18 minutes and they're perfectly cooked. I let them cool for 5 minutes, kind of, because me and my husband snuck one, but we won't talk about that. My daughter's laughing at us. So I'm just gonna go in for a bite because it just smells like fall in here. This is the epitome of fall to me. I've been making these forever, Thanksgiving, Christmas, everything since I was a kid, so this is just like, it's home to me. And they're still warm. I got a butterscotch in there too. So good. So easy. This is like an elevated box cake. I know there's a dispute between whether or not it's a cupcake or a muffin, and I know since there's no icing on these, they're technically considered muffins. Call them whatever you want. These are cupcakes to me. They'll always be cupcakes to me, but all these ingredients you'll probably have on hand this fall. Butterscotch and pumpkin is very common during this kind of time of year, so I really think you should give this a try. And when you do, don't forget to use my hashtags. I'll list them right over here so you can see them. Tag me on social media so I can see what you make when you use my recipes, because I would love to see that. So thank you guys for watching The Bite. Subscribe to the channel to see what's coming up this fall, and we'll see you next time on The Bite.